What are you doing here?
The drill.
Got to get it out of the crate and then bring it in.
Yeah, only goes far when it's been like keeping it tight. If a nigga wanna go to war, it can get dark, but we stay bright. I'm looking like it's inside. If it touch my sleeve, niggas round
That's
there wanna
broken off already.
when it's
The end of my kickstand.
It's been a long time coming, but this 2025 Ultra Bee is here.
They haven't got a thing, but they're easy to put. Still in the pack. Can we do that?
They've already taken the box off. The interesting thing about this is, he's bought a brand new Ultra Bee and it's instantly being modded. Like instantly, out of the box. So
now I need a drill.
Got to get it out of the crate and then bring it in. It's still attached. Teleported a bit because yeah, this didn't look like this last time you see it. This is Sam's 25 Ultra Bee. So what we've done is we've put a custom set of graphics on it from B2R Racing. So you'll see the theme here. Mine are getting a set next week, another custom set. We've just spruced up the forks a bit with the KYB stickers. We've chucked a Thrill Seeker seat cover on it. And then he's also got a fresh set of WGT Racing 2118 wheel sets. So as you can see by the boxes behind, we've got plenty of stock at the minute. So if you want any of these, I'm going to drop a discount code below. What else? Donuts, bar pad. That's pretty much it. Looks good though, doesn't it?
How much
oh yeah.
on the front?
We've also 14 on the front. So I've also wired up. This is an off-road model, but I've also wired up a brake light. And then because these don't have a switch as factory on the front, I've wired up a switch here. If anyone wants any info on how to do this or wants to buy that, because I designed this rear light myself, as you'll see I've got one as well, but Will's also got one somewhere on his, under there. But yeah, yeah, I can make a separate video on how to do it if anyone's interested. Right, so we've got a fresh delivery of tyres for WGT. But yeah, we're going to get out on these, on the 3 Ultras later and have some fun.
This is a good guy.
Bro, you're looking like a proper Ventus rep. Like, look at this. He's got the VTB merch here. VTB merch here.
Fucking love Ventus.
The VTB. The VTB. The VTB. This is 5 VTBs on one bike, including the gear. I've fitted some frame guards, a new kickstand, some new levers. I did also order some new pegs, the titanium pro pegs, but they sent me the wrong ones. They sent me the ones for the light bee, so got to return those and get another set.
Expose that company. Who is it?
It was just scumbags. What you done to your bike?
I bet so.
This is a 2025 Ultra Bee.
2025 Ultra Bee, if you zoom in here, it's got a big battery. This is 21 kilowatts on turbo mode. So I've just come from a 20 kilowatt light bee and I want to compare it. After riding other people's Ultra Bees, I know these are a lot more capable off-road, even than a fully upgraded light bee like my one was. This bike's what, 5.5 grand, whereas my light bee was costing about 14. And I reckon this is still going to be superior in every way.
He's gone for a very strategic tyre choice. So it is Battlecross on the front, and MX33 on the back. This is quite a knobbly tyre though, so if you're going to hit hard pack and tarmac, I wouldn't advise this. I'd go for something like what we use, which is the Trackers. You know we mean business if we drank a Red Bull first.
Well, you want us to drive onto it to get off? Or you want us to go that way? What are you doing? What are you doing here? Alright, well, we'll leave you alone.
What feels fun? The chopper, the corporate.
good trial, right?
Yeah, there's loads of different bits.
No. Dun, dun, dun.
If you break it, buy it.
Yeah, pal.
I just used up a lot of charge though.
For free.
This is in turbo mode, by the way.
Upgrade an upgrade.
Get that. Let's get Will's idea on what he thinks of the Cirrus with the lower spring rate.
Feels like a cushion, I can't lie.
Yes, sir. Did you prefer it before though?
No. That's that.
Cool, cool. Oh fuck, did I just smash my helmet?
Ah!
Is my helmet broken?
Oh, it's grazed at the top. No, it's rubbed off. It's fine.
Oh, I need to get that tree out of the way. Oh, that was good, wasn't it? That's broken off already.
What?
The end of my kickstand.
Where is it?
It's fucking
God knows.
gone.
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 Bingo!
Yeah, I know. That's the roundabout. We need to go.
Where's he getting? Looks like my body's getting tired, I don't know why.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because I hit back for the first time.
Let's go!
Keep up, Sean. Back just went.
When you crash, your hazard lights turn on.
No, I pressed it when I crashed.
I thought it was like a crash sensor. 2 bars. 2 bars. 180 quid bars they are. The kickstand survived.
Yeah.
So after today's ride, what's your verdict compared to like a Light Bee, or better than you thought, not as good as you thought?
I think it is much better choice to get one of these than a Light Bee. The price difference of in the UK, I think it's about 1,500 quid, maybe 2 grand at full dealer price for one of these, but it's so much faster, so much more capable, you get so much more grip, more comfortable and more range. I think it's a no-brainer to get one of these over a Light Bee, to be honest.
Is it better than you thought, or is it about the same?
It's about how I expected, but only because I'd ridden Stingy's Ultra Bee before a couple times, so yeah, overall I'm happy with it.
Cool. So that's it for today, guys. We're going to be loading these up, getting back home. But yeah, great ride. Really, really impressed with how that bike handled the trails firstly, and also the power delivery is really nice and smooth. Lots of people are saying there's a dead spot in the throttle, but I think it's actually quite an aggressive throttle. And the forks have been greatly updated over what my 24 Black Edition came with. These ones, I just took them over a few jumps a minute ago. These ones are much firmer, much firmer. So yeah, great bike. But as always, guys, my name's Stingy. If you're new around here, I make weekly content. But yeah, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment below, tell me what you think of the 2025 Ultra Bee, and as always, I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe.